Suppose that the definite integral from 1 to 5 of f of x dx is -2, and from 1 to 2 it's 0. Then the definite integral from 1 to 5 of g of x is 4, and from 1 to 2 it's 2. Then what we want to find is the definite integral from 2 to 5 of f of x minus g of x dx. So splitting this up, the integral from 2 to 5 of f of x dx minus the integral from 2 to 5 of g of x dx. That's perfectly fine to do. Anytime you have the sum or difference of two functions within an integral, you can split that up into two separate integrals. No problem. Now, if we look over here, however, we don't have the integral from 2 to 5 for either of these. We have 1 to 2, 1 to 5 for each, but not 2 to 5. However, if we think about what this might look like. So let's say we just have one function. Let's just say we have h of x. All right, and what we want to know is h of x integrated from 2 to 5. Okay, so we want this area right here. But we know that we only have the integral from 1 to 5. So I'll say this is 1 over to 5. So we have this orange region here. And then we have from 1 to 2. And 1 to 2, I'll just say is here to here, which is this green region. So how do the green, the blue, and the orange regions combine? So effectively, what happens is the area of the orange region is going to be the area of, I'll say this is a sub 1. So the area of the green region plus the area of the blue region. All right, so I'm not sure I chose great colors here. So basically what I'm saying is this region right here, if I take that, so that's from 1 to 5, and I subtract the region from 1 to 2, so subtract this green region, then it's going to leave me, I should have used orange, sorry. So if I take, anyway, the region all the way across minus the starting point here, so the orange basically minus the green, that would leave me the blue. So here's what I want to do. This integral right here, so from 2 to 5, it's going to be the integral all the way across, which is -2, minus the stuff from 1 to 2. Then for g of x, it's the same thing. It's the integral all the way across from 1 to 5, which is 4, and then minus the integral of the region here, which 1 to 2, which is 2. So this gives me -2, 4 minus 2 is 2, so -2 again, so -4.